student. Myself Priya Patel, working in a Munishiva Ashram College of Nursing as a nursing tutor. Today I'll demonstrate the techniques of bandaging.
So, in techniques of bandages, firstly we will see the definition of bandage. A material used to hold a dressing or splint in order to support a medical device such as a dressing or splint or to restrict the movement of a part of the body. And second, that is, a bandage is a long piece of thin cloth which is applied around the injured part of the body. Now we will see a different types of bandaging. So first, gauze bandage or gauze roller bandage. Second, compression bandage. Third, triangular bandage. Fourth, tube bandage. And adhesive bandage. Now we will see the purposes of bandages. The main purpose of the bandage, that is to support the wound. Second, that is to prevent the contamination of wound by holding a dressing in a position. Third, to immobilize a fracture or dislocation. Fourth, to control the bleeding by applying direct pressure over a wound. Fifth, to hold a dressing in a place over and open the wound. Now, first step, that is hand washing.
Hand washing to prevent the infection and contamination. Wet your hand. Take adequate amount of antiseptic solution and start the steps of hand washing. First, palm to palm. Second, back of the palm. Third, interlock the finger. Fourth, back of knuckles. Fifth, base of thumb. Six, fingertips. And last, 7, wrist. Now open the tap and rinse the hand. Close the tap with the use of elbow and dry the hands. Now we will see the things which is used in a bandaging. So there is a different size of bandage. First, 6 each bandage, 4 each bandage, 2 each bandage and 1 each bandage. Then pad which is used to cover the wound. Whenever we applying the bandaging, firstly apply the pad over the wound and after the pad we start to applying the bandaging to protect the wound. Then scissor to cut the bandage and adhesive tape to fix and stick the bandage. Firstly, spiral bandage. This type of bandaging is used for the uniform thickness part, that is finger or wrist. Now start the bandaging. So take the bandage and hold like this. Start the rolling of bandage. In this, each turn of the bandage overlap the previous turn. Now, cut the bandage with the use of scissor. And stick it with the adhesive tape. This is the spiral bandage. Now we will perform the reverse spiral. So holding the bandage like this, and reverse spiral is a type of spiral bandaging and usually used for the parts where the thickness varies. For example, legs and forearms. Now here turn the bandage Turn the spiral should overlap the preceding one by about the 3/4 of the previous, and then reverse by placing the thumb over the center. And check the tightness of bandage. Now turn the bandage and overlap it for through 3 to 4 times. Now cut the bandage with the use of scissors. And stick the adhesive tape. Check the tightness of bandage.
This is the picture of reverse spiral bandage.
Now figure of 8 bandaging. So firstly hold the bandage like this, and the figure of 8, it is basically used for the elbow and knee joints, and this is applied in the manner of 8. So firstly start the overlapping of bandage. And this bandage is made by forming a 2 loops over a joint in terms of ascending or descending. Now fix the bandage with the use of adhesive tape. This is the ascending and descending. So this shape was the figure of 8, so it's called the figure of 8 bandaging.
This is the image of figure of 8 bandage.
Now thumb bandaging. Hold the bandage like this and take a proper position. Then wrap the 2 circles around the wrist. Now turn the bandage, moving towards the back of the hand, reaching to the thumb, and turn back to the wrist. And at the end, circulate the bandage over the wrist. Now, with the use of adhesive tape, fix the bandage. the thumb spica and thumb bandage shape like this.
This is the image of thumb bandage.
So, for finger bandage, firstly cut the adhesive tape. Cut the tape at the size of the client finger. We will perform the finger bandage. So, it is apply over the first point finger. Take the finger bandage and start to rolling in a spiral movement. Properly cover the whole finger and also the tip of finger. Now take the adhesive tape and also apply it over the bandage. Now take one another adhesive tape and apply it on a straight upward to backward. This is a finger bandage.
This is the image of finger bandage.
Now we will see the eye bandage. So first take a gauze piece or pad in a oval shape like this and place over the eye. Now take the adhesive tape and cover the whole eye. Whole eye were covered in the pad. Apply a bandage tightly. Now cover the eye. At the behind of ear. apply the adhesive to stick the endings. This is the eye bandage. Firstly, cover the whole eye with the pad or sticking. After that, cover the whole eye with the bandage. Now, we will do ear bandage. So, firstly, apply the pad over the ear. Cover the whole ear. And with the use of sticking, stick it. Now fix it properly to prevent the soiling of the bandage. Now take the bandage and hold the bandage like this. Now firstly circulate the bandage over the head. Circulate for 2 times. Then cover the ear. And fix it. This is the ear bandage. Whole ear were covered in the bandage.
This is the image of ear bandage.
Now we will performing the bandaging of stump. So firstly take a bandage and place over the amputated leg. This bandage is mainly used for the amputation. So there is a 4 corner A, B, C or D. Now take A or B corner crossover and with the use of C or D corner make the knot over the hand. Check the tightness of the bandage. Yes, this is the stump bandaging.
This is the image of stump bandaging.
Now we will performing the head bandage. So take the bandage and start. Place the bandage at the center of head and rolling turn over the head. Make 2 to 3 circles. Now turn the bandage and place over the back side. Then again the turn and place over the front side. Repeat this procedure for 2 to 3 times at the whole head were covered. Now rolling the bandage to fix the folded. Fix the all folding firmly. Make 2 to 3 circles over the head. Cut the bandage with the use of scissor. And apply adhesive tape. This is the head bandage. Whole head were covered with the bandage.
And last, this is the image of head bandaging.